Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Becexy updates. They are here to update us based on the technical issues and the code depleted problem. So if you have not gotten the pre-qualification code, this video is for you. We are going to look at their latest updates. They said Becexy updates, a digest of technical and product updates for the past week. Pre-qualification continues. For the past 3 weeks, we have been publishing unique CEXY codes for the final step of qualification. Then they said, note, every code shared in our socials and videos has a limited number of uses, so don't forget to turn on notifications if you haven't qualified yet. And before we dive in fully, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value content. Technical updates. We have resolved all issues related to connecting Telegram and wallet as well as code entry. Everything now works smoothly on the site. Now this is the bonus takeaway. You need to do this if you really want to qualify for this airdrop. The key point here is they said don't skip the older videos. Sometimes we unlock extra slots for previously shared code. Stay sharp. So this has been the strategy people are using. All the older codes, sometimes they add extra slots. So if you go and collect other videos code and try it in an interval, you might be lucky enough to qualify because they are updating the older video. They are adding extra slots to the older video. So this is what people has been doing. Even today it was older videos, older codes that people in my WhatsApp group use and they qualify. So don't, instead of you sitting down and be waiting for new code, go and check the other codes. Keep trying them at an interval. You might be lucky. I'm also going to attach the other codes in this video description. Make use of it and get this CEXY pre-qualification. So here is the list of the old codes. You can try them. This is my WhatsApp group. You can try them and know which one that will work for you. Instead of sitting down and be looking for code, keep trying them. This one was the one that particularly worked for people. This particular one, it really worked for people today, and this last one. So try them and you get it right. So I believe you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video. And do not forget that I'm currently buying and selling USDT Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize me, chat to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin, and I'll reply instantly. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.